Welcome to another video in stock market trading for beginners series. In this video, I will show you how to get market profile charts and volume profile charts at cheapest cost possible. Watch this video till the end as I show in detail how to set up Sierra chart with all settings and an appropriate example. Now, three most common questions asked by beginners who want to get started in market profile are as following. Number one, how to access market profile charts to get started. Number two, which software for market profile charts one should use. And number three, what is the cheapest way to access market profile charts? So in this video, I attempt to answer all these questions. So let's get started. Now I'll try and keep this video as short as possible. So market profile, volume profile and order flow charts are extremely hard to procure. If you look at the entry barrier that is for beginners in this particular field is too high, as the cost to procure market profile charts and volume profile charts is just too high. For accessing market profile charts, you need a combination of a proper software to display the chart and data to feed into the particular software. In some cases, software is free, but profile indicators cost a lot. And in other cases, software and data is sold as a package at exorbitant cost. Now let's first look at the alternatives available, and I'll be only covering up those alternatives that I have tried. And then I'll give you the name of the software and how to set it up in detail once we finish this alternative section. Now, the reason why I'm covering these softwares as well is because every trader has his own choice of a particular software. So you can explore these softwares as well. So the first software is eSignal software. In this, you have to opt for the signature version of this software and then add market profile indicators as an add-on. Now, cost would typically be between rupees 14,000 and 16,000 per month, and you will get software plus the entire data package. The second software, which is quite popular, is Lynch Soft Investor RT. Now, the core package and profile package will have to be selected if you want to use this software. Core package costs somewhere around 3,500 per month, and profile package will cost you somewhere near 2,000 rupees per month. Total cost for the software alone would be about 5,500 to 6,000 per month, and then you will have to shell out additional rupees 6,000 per month through eSignal data, and the total cost for this particular software with data would be somewhere around 11,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. Now, NinjaTrader is a very popular software. The core platform is free. However, if you want to access TPO chart, that is market profile chart, and volume profile chart, you will have to purchase this through external vendors. Now, this is where a lot of traders get into trouble, because if you opt for a monthly subscription for these indicators in NinjaTrader, it will cost you somewhere around 3,500 to 5,500 rupees per month, and additional data cost would be around 2,500 to 3,000 per month. So in a cost of about 8,000 to 9,000 rupees with NinjaTrader, you can completely get ready for market profile charts. But there are also some vendors who sell market profile indicators and various other fancy indicators for a lifetime fee of rupees 50,000 to rupees 1 lakh. Now, I feel this is a serious waste of money, and all beginners who are interested in market profiles should avoid doing this. I'll show you a very cheap way of getting started with market profile, and then if it suits you and you start making money with it, then you can go and invest in various expensive softwares. So in my opinion, eSignal, Linsoft and NinjaTrader all are good softwares, but I think for beginners, this is not at all suitable. Another option which is coming up these days is a website called tradingview.com. Now, at present, only volume profile indicators are available. I was checking the website and there were some indications that market profile indicators would be launched as well, but I could not find a timeline about it. For now, volume profile indicators is only available under the pro version, which you have to subscribe for about 2,500 per month, and you can get volume profile indicators in that. But market profile, TPO chart, those sort of indicators have not yet been included as per my knowledge. So in case it does get introduced in the future, then this would turn out to be one of the most cheapest option to access market profile charts. Another option is Broker software. This is the most popular software, at least in our country. Now, the professional edition for this software has a one-time fee of about 23,000 rupees, and the standard edition costs about 19,700 rupees. Now data for ME broker can be procured for as little as 2000 per month. For market and volume profile charts, you will have to use a AFL, that is ME broker formula language extension. This is available freely on Google. There are some generous users who have actually coded market profile and volume profile charts and uploaded on Google. So you can try this option. I had tried to check this ME broker software plus this market profile AFL option, but I thought that charts were not that accurate. But it is entirely up to you, and I don't want to discredit all those wonderful people who have actually uploaded this AFL for free, and you should certainly check this out. The last option is by far the cheapest option available for market profile charts. Now, due to data feed problem in this Sierra chart software, this is real time, but you will have to manually import data every 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 20 minutes. A typical market profile data gets printed after 30 minutes of activity. So you can explore this option because I use this in my day-to-day trading and to analyze markets overall. Now, cost of this software is just 2300 per month, and Excel data would cost another 1500 per month. So with a total cost of rupees 3800 per month, you can get access to market profile, volume profile and market depth chart. Again, the thing is, why I'm suggesting this option is that most of the beginners who want to begin in a field like market profile, they don't know whether that field is suitable for them or not. And which is why you should initially invest as little money as possible in software and data just to see whether this particular field is for you or not. In case you go and invest, let's say 50,000, 1 lakh on a market profile software or indicator, and then 1 month down the line you realize you're not suitable for this particular method, then that money actually gets wasted. Which is why I think Sierra chart is one option you should certainly explore. What I'll do is now step by step, I'll get you to set up this Sierra chart software so that you can set it up on your computer by yourself. Just a standard disclaimer here. I don't get any commissions. I don't have any affiliations with Sierra chart. I don't do that sort of stuff in this channel yet. So let's get started with setting up Sierra chart. So let us now see how to set up this Sierra chart software. Now, once you go to sierrachart.com and sign up for an account, then you have to subscribe to service package 5, which contains all the market profile indicators. Now, these are more than enough if you're a beginner to start with in market profile, and you don't need any fancy softwares at this stage at least. So once you're completed the account setup, go and subscribe for this particular package. This will cost you about $33 per month, which would roughly convert to about 2200 rupees per month. Now, this is the Excel sheet, that is the Excel data format for you to import data into Sierra chart. It has to contain symbol, date, time, open, high, low, close and volume. Open interest data is completely optional. Now, there are some particular formats which have to be followed. It will take you just about 10-15 minutes initially to set this up with Sierra chart, and then easily with a click of a mouse button you can import all the data every 10, 15, 20 minutes as per your convenience. Now, the Excel sheet format should be as following. Symbol name should be present. Date should be in the format YYMMDD, that means year, month, and DD, that is date. Time should be in the format of HHMMSS, which means hourly, minute and seconds. So if you look at the previous sheet, date is in the format, this is 2018 August 6th. I hope this particular point is clear. For time, this is 9:19 AM 59 seconds. I hope this is clear as well. So now let me just show you how to set up the Sierra chart software. Now, this is where I have opened up the Sierra chart interface. What you need to do is you first need to go to edit, import and load intraday data. Once you install Sierra chart, your data will be stored in your main hard drive, Sierra chart program name and then data section. Here you see I have Bank Nifty data already, so I'll double click this and Bank Nifty data gets plotted in a simple bar chart format. Now is the time to set up for market profile indicators. What I'll do is just go to chart settings. The price display format should be set to 1. Tick size should be set to 1 as well. Now number of days of data that you need to load depend on the amount of data you have. In this sheet I have loaded for 90 days data. I'll set it to that, and then click on this apply global symbol settings section, click apply, and then click OK. Now let us go ahead and plot the market profile data. Go to analysis study section, then scroll down to TPO indicator. So this is the TPO profile chart. Double click, it will come up here. Go to settings, and in this section click 30, enter 30 value, and just click apply. So now you see that market profile chart in a block format has come up. In case you prefer letter format, I think there's a setting here in this section, letters. If you click, it converts into letters. So I hope this particular setup is clear. There are a lot of settings that you can experiment with, and in case you want to get started in this particular section, go to the description link here, and wherein the default Sierra chart help file would help you understand how to set up these charts further. So this was just a basic setup of how you needed to set up the Sierra chart software. Once you click on OK, and every time as your Excel sheet updates, the only thing you have to do is go to edit, click import and load data, and double click on this file, and this will get updated. So it is as simple as this. So in case you get stuck at some stage while setting up this market profile software, you can leave a comment below and I'll tell you what to do exactly when. It's fairly simple. If you just follow the instructions on this video, you will be able to set it up. So now I'll just take you through a section of how to get started in market profile, and then you can go ahead and put this up on your desktop. So this particular video was long due as I had received a lot of requests from users to help them set up market profile chart. The way to get started in market profile, I'll ask you to first go through my 10-part series on market profile, which I have completed on this channel. The other thing is that avoid getting into the trap of fancy market profile softwares. There are so many market profile softwares which are so expensive, it's just not worth starting with those particular softwares. As a beginner, if you are going to start in market profile, all you need is volume and TPO chart, that is volume profile chart and TPO chart, and then you can see if this particular field suits you or not. Everything else at this stage is not required. It will simply make software's vendor rich, and you won't achieve anything with that. Now there are so many fancy softwares that those indicators are actually visually appealing, and I have seen a lot of beginners committing this mistake by simply going and buying those expensive softwares and later on realizing that market profile is not for them. So see if this complete market profile series that I've done, it suits you as a trader. And once you start practicing the principles I've mentioned and you start making money, then invest in expensive softwares. I think for starting in market profile, the basic things that you need is already covered in this video. So in case you are finding any difficulty in setting this up or with any other topic in market profile, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. I hope this helps you a lot. Thank you.
Click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get instantly notified when a new video is uploaded. Thank you for subscribing.